Tony Bush Jr. Show, baby. Today, I'm taking Power to go play with some other snakes. Yeah, that's right. Today is the Cobra Day at the Cobra Museum in Martinez. And I've been waiting for this show for a long time. I said if I ever get a Cobra, I want to attend this show. It should be some other dope Cobras, both replicas and real Cobras at this show. So freaking juice. So we're going to take a ride. We're going to take Power out there, you know, and be amongst some other Cobras. It's going to be funny, interesting to see what they think about a Cobra with a LS swap. That should be interesting. And yeah, so remember, hit them buttons, britches, the comment, the like, the subscribe. We about to hit the road, Jack. I'll see y'all in a minute. All right, let's get this thing started. Let's get it cracking. Gotta let it warm up. Gotta let it warm up, y'all. Y'all see that $7, right? That's $7 a gallon. It's only gonna last me for about 15 minutes. I'm gonna have to start me a OnlyFans, cause only gas ain't cool. I'm starting a page. Yeah, no, go ahead, man. Of course.
I can't believe you put a turbo on there.
It ain't a turbo. It's a Pro Charger. Bless his heart. Bless his heart. All right, just hold on, let me make sure. All right, yeah, it took all my money. All right, we can go now. I'm doing well. How you doing?
I'm great. What's your last name?
Bush.
Okay. Tony?
Yep.
We're backing you in right there. Watch the guy in the blue shirt right here.
Okay.
Gonna back you in. So.
All right.
Like that and back right in there. Thanks for coming.
Okay, so I made it to the show. There's a lot to see. There is a whole lot to see. A lot. There is a crap load to see. All right, so we're gonna get into it. I've already met some pretty cool people, and they got some pretty cool cars here. So I'm gonna walk around, check out the show. Here we go. So quick funny story. I came to this show about maybe 8 years ago, and this was one of the first cars I saw. And I'm here about 6 to 8 years later, and I'm parked not too far from it. Wow.
What the heck? Dude.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Oh, I got that same jacket too.
Oh, yeah?
I almost wore it, but
I got the blue one too.
Oh, okay. There you go. Right on, man.
Dude, tell me about this. What's going on here?
Okay.
Obviously a Pro Charge LSX.
It's a, yes.
In like gel coat.
In gel coat, yeah. So not outside of the LS situation.
Yeah.
it's also controlled by my phone.
No way, seriously?
Way. Yeah, so you can do this. Thank you. So if I needed to start it up, track it,
Yeah.
everything is from right here. So yeah.
Great bobblehead, man.
Thank you, man. Right on.
I mean, everything's great.
Right on. Appreciate it. That's my passenger, man. He gets me in the carpool lane. So
I was gonna say,
yeah. So I'm like, hey, officer, and then he's like, oh, he's got a passenger. He just lets me go. So check it out, man. 65 Cobra by my man Zach over there. This is his. Funny story about it. He said this car was built in 2000 by the Lakers, and it was given out to 12 of the Lakers players and staff, and out of that 12, 5 were given to the players. This one was owned by Lamar Odom, and then from Lamar Odom to, I think he said, a doctor, and then from the doctor to him. He's the current owner. And this bad boy is nice. It's spicy. It's got some heat. This is nice.
Yeah, I was one of like the first two to try putting this motor in.
Really?
Yeah, this is back in what, 2013?
Yeah,
it was before it was all figured out.
Yeah, okay.
So now all the sheet metal and shit, you can just buy it all.
Yeah.
I mean, the footbox on the driver's side is like Rev 6. Trying to get it to fit.
Woo.
The problem is, like, you need to clear the head.
Right.
It's got like that much clearance in the head, and then
yeah, because these things it's like a big block. Like these things are huge.
Yeah, exactly. But then like you can't fit your feet.
Yeah, yeah.
So what I had to do was I had to go down below the header and then push it back out 2 inches just to get my feet to fit.
No way. All right, y'all, check it out. So now I am inside the Cobra Experience Museum. There's some cool artwork, and we'll go check out inside and see what this place is about. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Here.
That's a wild question. Well, I gotta be honest.
65 GT40. Woo! Woo, that's hot right there. So in case you didn't know, GT stands for Grand Touring, and the 40 represents 40 inches tall. It's a nice little tidbit of history. Want to see the inside of a GT40? Here you go. It's the frame in its entirety. And this is what the original Cobra frames look like. The original chassis, the original setup for the suspension. Look, they even had tubular control arms back then. These cars was way, way, way ahead of their time. So if you look on the walls, these are all like original parts from Cobra. I guess you can say artifacts, really. But look, these are all actual parts from, I'm guessing, from the days where they were racing. Like, this is real nostalgic right now. Yo, 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 yo. So this thing is crazy, man. It's been a dope day. the response from having the LS swap Cobra has been pretty dope. The people are good, the cars is good. The car made it out of here great, fantastic, and it's dope. So I'm gonna see a couple more things for a little bit, and then I'm gonna tear out of here once it's over. I think we're doing like a cruise at the end of the day with all the cars, and then yeah, man. So this was a freaking success. It was a mother-sucking success. So power made it out here, and it was a dope day. It was a freaking dope day. So appreciate y'all for tuning in, and y'all know what it is. I'll see you on the mother-sucking next one.